You need a tough, work-ready pickup with enough room for your family and some safety and tech features. If your budget doesn't stretch to a Ford Ranger or Toyota Hilux, consider the LDV T60 Max Plus. It's more than just a new variant. It has an overhauled interior and significant tech upgrades, but is it worth it? The T60 Max Plus maintains the same 3,000 kilograms towing capacity as the rest of the T60 range and has one of the most powerful 2-liter biturbo diesel engines in its class. This car has 160 kilowatts, 214 horsepower, and 500 Newton meters of torque, which is the ideal performance for everyday driving in the city or the country. If you want to buy the T60, you can choose between a 6-speed manual transmission or an 8-speed fully automatic ZF 8 HP transmission. Both are reliable and useful transmissions. The biturbo diesel engine is paired with a ZF 8-speed automatic transmission, high and low range, and an automatic rear diff locker. It claims fuel consumption of 8.9 liters of 100 kilometers but can be higher. Driving the T60 Max Plus is familiar if you've driven a Ute in the last decade. The electric steering is light, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces, but the multi-link rear suspension is not as comfortable as expected. The engine is powerful but doesn't pair smoothly with the transmission, and the traction control feels basic. The switch from 2 high to 4 high works well, useful in wet or low traction conditions. However, the engine is noisy and the cabin could be better insulated. The T60 range, excluding the electric ET60, has a 5-star ANCAP safety rating from 2017. The Max Plus adds active safety features like auto emergency braking, lane keep assist, and adaptive cruise control. The safety kit is simple and not overly invasive. Ownership terms for LDV vary, but the T60 comes with 7 years stock 200,000 kilometer warranty and 5 years of roadside assistance. There's no capped price servicing, requiring service every 12 months or 15,000 $. When you want to buy T60, the price range you have to pay is from $41,000 to $52,000. If you buy from the official dealer, this range is between $38,000 and $49,000. This is almost close in price to the Toyota Tacoma and Ford F-150, so which car to choose? If you're looking for a more affordable, cheap, economical, mixed-use pickup, the T60 Max might be for you, because it also comes with a 7-year or 200,000 kilometer warranty. The T60 Max Plus, more of a mild facelift than a new variant, sits at the top of the T60 range. It's available in manual and automatic, with a stretched mega tub body style. Despite its features, its price is closer to the base models of its rivals, like the GWM Cannon Ute and SsangYong Musso. The LDV impresses with features like LED headlights, 18-inch alloy wheels, and a sports bar. It also has coil-sprung rear suspension and upgraded electric power steering. Importantly, it includes a modern suite of active safety items. The T60 Max Plus stands out with a new grille for safety equipment, a tweaked light profile, new wheels, and black accents. The tray has a spray-in tub liner and tie-down points, though the sports bar can be intrusive. You can also choose between Pro, Luxe, Plus, Megatub Plus models. The Megatub package includes 19-inch large lightened wheels, black sailplane, roof rails, and finally the Megatub Plus package includes wireless charging, automatic only, black quality plastic and accessories all over the car, starting with the door handles. Megatub and Megatub Plus models have a larger rear load capacity. All this is very important to make your car sportier and more attractive. Exterior color options include blonde white, maple leaf orange, jewel blue, lava grey, metal black. Interior color options include black cloth trim for Pro model, black leather trim for Luxe and Plus models. Inside, it features a major redesign with 12.3-inch screens, a sleek piano black dash, a raised console with a wireless phone charger, and new materials throughout. The shift lever has moved to the column, adding to the modern feel. The cabin redesign brings positives and negatives. The screens are sharp and versatile with ample storage. The center console is deep with removable dividers, a sliding cover, and a wireless phone charger. However, The seating position is high and the steering wheel is not telescopically adjustable, which can be uncomfortable for taller drivers. The stock software is simple with limited functions, and there are no tactile controls for fan speed, temperature or volume. Adjusting volume requires using the Media Apps slider, which is inconvenient. The cabin feels contemporary and comfortable with well thought out materials. The back seat offers good space with amenities like bottle holders, adjustable air vents, a USB-A outlet and storage areas. In the Pro model, you can choose 6-speed transmission or ZF8, and you can have a 10.25-inch screen including Apple CarPlay. The Luxe package includes leather interior trim, a 360-degree camera, keyless entry, and black exterior accessories. In the Plus model, there are more features, for example, lane tracking system, 12.3-inch big screen, rear and front black bumper, AXA multi-link suspension, and 18-inch black wheels. The Megatub Plus package includes wireless charging, automatic only. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Thanks so much for watching.